there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
The launch of the Vivo X30 launch is nearing, and we have been coming up with several new improvements. The upcoming smartphone is said to support dual-mode 5G, and has been teased several times last month. While it is expected to be unveiled on November 7th at a Vivo-Samsung 5G joint conference, some of its key details have been revealed. Besides this, the alleged specifications and pricing information of the upcoming Vivo smartphones with 5G support have been revealed on Weibo and shared on Twitter. To start with the invite, it shows that the smartphone will be powered by the latest Exynos 980 chipset from Samsung. This is the first mid-range chipset, which comes with an integrated 5G modem. Interestingly, the chipset also supports 5G dual-mode networks. To start with Vivo X30 Pro, it will come in 3 variants. 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage option will be priced at 3,998 yuan. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage for 4,498 yuan, and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage option will carry a price tag of 4,998 yuan. The leak reveals that the smartphone will be backed by a 6.89-inch Full HD Plus display along with a 90Hz screen refresh rate. On the camera front, the smartphone will be loaded with a quad camera setup, which comes with a combination of 60-megapixel sensor primary lens, 2 13-megapixel sensors and 1 12-megapixel sensor. For the front, there will be a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The Vivo X30 Pro will come loaded up to 12GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. The phone will run on Android 10, and it will be backed by a 4500 mAh battery with 44-watt super flash charge support. Coming to the Vivo X30, the smartphone will be equipped with a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. The smartphone will be powered by the same Exynos 9810 chipset, which is present in the X30 Pro. On the camera front, it will come with a quad camera setup with a combination of 64-megapixel primary lens, an 8-megapixel secondary sensor, 13-megapixel sensor and a 2-megapixel shooter. For the front, it will come with 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The smartphone will be backed by a 4500 mAh battery along with 22.5-watt fast charging support.